Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech. In today's video, I do the battery rating test on the OnePlus Nord 2 after the recent software update. Yes friends, just yesterday only I did receive the software update in the OnePlus Nord 2. So this is the August security patch update which I did receive yesterday. And during this process, I'll try to test the charging speed. How much the charging speed got increased or decreased during this process of demonstration. That is what I'm going to exactly check in this video. Right now the phone battery percentage is of exactly 1%, as you can see here friends, clearly 1%. So this is what my charging test will be there with the 1%, and all the background applications are completely disabled. As you can see, there is no background applications, and with one single SIM card which I'm going to test during this process of demonstration. And I'm trying to use the default charger, which is 65 watt of rapid charge, as you can see here, 65 watt of rapid charge only. And let me need to connect the charger as well and start the stopwatch without wasting any time, and I'll try to show you exactly the charging indication what I'm getting here. So after a couple of seconds you will be able to see indication of the 65 watt charger getting charged, as you can see. So I'm trying to use the rapid charge only during this process. And right now the temperature is of 33 degrees and backside 33 degrees, not bad. So these are the temperature readings for the initial time in the beginning of the test, 33 degrees. So let me write down the beginning temperatures. So again I'll be back after 10 minutes, and again I'll try to write down 20 minutes and full charge as well. In this way we'll be able to discuss what is happening with the OnePlus Nord 2. Let me know in the comment section below, under this circumstance, try to charge your phone from 1% using single SIM card. Don't use any applications, no live wallpaper, nothing at all. Let me know in the comment section below how much time your phone is taking to charge. That is what I just want to see, how much difference can it be there between one user to other user. My room temperature is pretty low, it's only 29 degrees. There is no AC, there is no cooler in my room, but still 29 degrees. So again I'll be back after 10 more minutes. So right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to 10 minutes of time. 10 minutes, 47% of the phone got charged. As you can see, in 10 minutes of time, not bad. And the temperature is about 34 degrees, front and back. And right now, let me need to write down the readings. So 47% of the battery got charged in 10 minutes of time, and the temperature is of close to 34 degrees. So not bad friends in terms of the temperatures. It did not increase much, so which I did expect. But let's see what is the right now. It's of 49%. I just want to see what is the time actually takes to reach 50% of the battery. That is what I'm trying to look after. So right now it's 49%, 49. So maybe around 11 minutes of time the phone might get 50% charge. As you can see, 50%, exactly 11 minutes of time. So that's very good. So that is what I want to write down the readings in this phone. So 11 minutes of time the phone took to charge 50% of the battery. So again I'll be back after 20 minutes of time. Then we can actually check what is happening with the battery temperatures. And this is a test which I'm trying to do after the recent update. So every time the phone gets an update, we need to know how is the charging speed. That is my main motive of making this video. So right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to 20 minutes exactly charging of the OnePlus Nord 2. It charged to 80%. I cannot see what is happening with this kind of symbol at this moment. So now it's gone. Sometimes it get that kind of struck as well. Sometimes it's happening. So 80% of the phone got charged. So it's good that it happened in front of the camera, so you can actually see what is the bugs with the latest update. Sometimes it did happen, friends, in my phone. So that kind of freezing up that charging animation. So right now it's of 80%. So let's check the temperatures, how much it is. Temperature is of close to 34 degrees, front and back, 34 degrees. Perfect. So 34 degrees is the temperature. So let me try to write down the readings. So again I'll be back after some time, maybe when the battery is kind of close to 90%, then we can actually discuss what is happening with the charging speed in the OnePlus Nord 2 device. So again I'll be back after 99% of the charging. Right now, as you can see, it's been getting close to exactly 27 minutes of continuously charging, and the battery percentage is of close to 99% right now. As you can see, 99% exactly, not bad for 27 minutes of time. As you can see, friends, that's good. So not bad at all. So overall, I think even the before software update also, my phone took kind of close to 28 minutes and 27 minutes, somewhere around that, sometimes 29 minutes as well. So in the final readings, let's see, it's 99% is showing right now. And temperatures should be very alright. So it's not much at this moment, the temperatures. It's only 33 degrees. I forgot to write it around 20 minutes as well. I think around 20 minutes as well, the temperatures were close to 33 degrees. Right now it's 99%. So temperatures are pretty normal, friends, in the OnePlus Nord 2. That's a very good thing. That's a very positive thing, because so nowadays we are seeing this kind of fast charging technology and improving the temperatures as well. Because in last year, if you try to remember, the temperature used to increase very high with the fast charging, and it got complete charge within 28 minutes of time. As you can see friends, right now 28 minutes of time the complete phone, the OnePlus Nord 2 took to charge from 0 to 100%, from 1 to 100%, sorry, after the recent update, which is security patch, August security patch update. So thank you for watching this video, and in case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be back with the battery draining details as well very soon, so make sure to stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.